Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where you can get to share your ideas, your strategy, your also market insights. You can also get to connect with traders. You can also get to connect with analysts and also developers. It is also a community that has a session for any financial market you trade, be it the stock market or the crypto market or the stock indices market or also the commodities markets or also in the indices markets. To be part of this community, make sure you visit investsocial.com. Starting with our trend for the day, this is our movement. Gold is literally trending upward. So we tend to have three main movements in the market. It's either market is trending to the upside, as we are currently having right here, or market is literally trending to the downside, as this was a previous movement. This was a previous movement, or market is literally ranging, as we can see right here. So these are the three types of movements market tends to give us. So since we are literally trending to the upside, this is where the rules of trading comes in. This is where the rules of trading comes in, which is we need to trade with the trend. So since we are in an uptrend move, we have to anticipate for that movement upward. Now this is our 4-hour time frame. This 4-hour at first market dropped to this low. Then this was a massive high that market did give us. Now I want you guys to also pay attention to this. Once you see a massive movement upward like this, have it in mind that a pullback will most likely going to play out. A pullback will most likely going to play out. So once you see a massive high, the market has given you like this, have it in the back of your mind that a pullback will most likely going to play out. So a pullback is what we are to be expecting right here on silver. We are to expect a pullback, sorry, on our gold, which is on our gold. We are to expect a pullback to around a level of 4491. That is what I'll be expecting for the day. Between level of 4491 to 4490, a pullback will play out. So since we have had this massive high, guys, remember there should be a pullback, meaning a little bit of a sell to a level of 4491. If there will be any updates or changes, I'll make sure I do the updates and I will let you guys know. So if you find this video very helpful, do not forget to visit investsocial.com.